ribs, how does your waist, how does your hip accommodate this movement? There's a lot going on along the side. How do you make this movement happen in a smooth and easy way? Right? And then, if you want to give this a try of sliding the elbow underneath you so that you're kind of rolled forward, and then sliding the elbow in front of you. So when you slide the elbow under your waist, you'll feel the elbow and the arm under your ribs. And when that happens, something happens to the ribs that are facing the ceiling. And then slide it back out and under your head again. And just feel what that movement is like. Okay, your knees are bent in front of you, but when you're rolling a little bit forward and back, you might find that your legs move as well. You might find your hip moves a little bit. What does your hip and your top leg do when you tuck your arm and elbow under you along your waist?